Hello there, today I show you my professional Photoshop action, how to use it and custom it. There is previously applied some result. It's very easy to use and custom. Everything is fully professional and support any high resolution image, and you can edit everything. This is a realistic art, and you can remove the paper and make the shape, the PNG transparent shape. Everything is possible, and you can change color very easily, and photo effect also include. See the photo effect looking, we have include different type of photo effect and brushing style. The back art, we include different type of back art at last 7 plus. This is the original photo, and this is the masking and effect result. Original photo and the effect result. See the result. Another one, you can change the color very easily, and another one. See, and this is the custom work. Okay, now start how to use it. First go my download file. There is show brush file, help file, pattern file, and cover, and this is our script professional, and this is the supporting in JPG format, supporting information. You can connect very easily and fast in mention information. Just send a message or call me. First load me brush, or you can read the help file. There is the some information include. See our supporting information and how to use written format, use information there. Okay, load first. Select and double click, brush is loaded, or you can load manually. You can select and double click, then your Photoshop is load automatically. Or you think confused, so you can go your Photoshop and the brush, go window, and the brush says option, click. Now more option, and load brush, input brush, and find out my download file there, main file. Go there, and then there is show only brush file. Select and load button, click. Now brush is loaded. Okay, go window now, and we want to load pattern, so find out the pattern option. This is the pattern option, and more option, click. Same input pattern, and find out my download file. Go the main file there, and there is show pattern only. Select and load button, click. Pattern is loaded. Now go window, action option, click. Action option show maybe right side or any of area. I settle it left side for my better understanding purpose. Go the mode option and load action button, click. Now find out main file, and select the action main file, and there is the show my script. Select and load button, click. Up and down option now, and this is the folder, and this is the script. Now open a photo. I use this photo. So if you think your photo is not enough space in top or left right, because my brushing style is too long, so I need to make first size in select the crop tool and make some space in top. So there is the cutting, so I do not need the bottom. I just on the left, right, and top. And image size, you can use any high resolution image. If you use more high resolution image, then action time needs some time extra. So I have typed there 3500 pixel or 3600 pixel, any of size. This is the standard high resolution size. And now make sure your photo is a lock icon show, and background name is background. If not, so you need to do one step. Sometimes some image look like PNG transparent or layer 0 format, that is not accept the action make the error result. So you can fix it very easily. Right button, click your mouse, and the fit in option. Now I set a lock background layer, and make sure this option, the panel option, is same as it is. Okay, and all are tick mark, and make sure your photo is a RGB message. This step need to show because avoiding the error message. If not, you follow the same instruction, so action show the error result. It's not only my action, all our marketplace action need to follow their own rule or step. Make sure your photo is a RGB color mode. If not, then go image mode RGB color, just click there. If show any message, click OK button. Now we want to click a marks, select a marks option. So quick selection tool used for shortcut and very easy tool. Quick selection tool, select quick selection tool, and there is show select subject button. I have clicked the select subject button. Then my select subject is auto select C. Now I have created new layer. There click and double click new layer text option, and I have typed there BRUSS brush, all are a small letter, and click the other area. Do not include a space, hyphen, comma or uppercase lowercase mix up letter. Only lowercase and spelling is same, BRUSH. And paint bucket tool, and I have fill up the any of light color you can use, and fill up the brush layer in paint bucket tool, or you can use the brush tool if you want to the portrait, so you can brush the portrait style in using the brush tool. But this time I need to full of area, so I fill up this, and now our selection mode is on. If the selection mode is on, and I have play the script, is show the error result. So need to deselect first. If the selection is on, so we need to deselect, select and deselect. Now is perfect. Okay, and I have select all in on and hit the play button. It start working. Fully depend your PC configuration and image resolution size, and we have separate the all layer, all materials, different layer, and you can combine yourself unlimited result and get unlimited result possibility. Just wait and see. I show you how to do this. It's still working. I have used the standard size, so need a regular size because we have more option there. So wait and see. In this time I show you something surprise for you. Visit our MRI studio. You can purchase any of product. Our all product is available there, and visit our on-site photoshopaction.net. photoshopaction.net, this is the our site, and you can download their free file and see there is premium file for free. See this one, the premium file is free, is fully professional quality, but now promotional purpose this product is now free. Okay, it's loading, and there is the bundle offer, 99% bundle offer, the first on, see 99%, and this bundle is very exclusive. This one license is a extended license, and our flash sale is going on and limited time only, and there is the flash sale product available. You can check out the flash sale option. Back our work, and there hello, their action is done working. Now you can custom, there is more layer. This is finishing default message, finishing result default message. See, in the looking is very nice and colorful. You can change the colorful option if you don't like, so I just show you there is more layers. So see, step by step all are uncheck maximum layer, so you can combine yourself. This is the extra color added to try one, so uncheck this one. For this color is faded, and there is the color replace option in photo color sum of area, so you can uncheck this if do not like the more color. And there is the ink option. You can remove the ink if you don't like the ink. So this time I think I need this, and if you want to remove some areas, so you can select the marks point and select the brush in soft brush, and make sure top color is black, and you can brush any of area. any of area, so it's very easy to remove. So now I have go another position. Now this is the focus area in dark mode, and another dark mode style full area, and this is watercolor effect looking, this one, see in the looking. And now if you want to the add some of shape, see I just show you, place it, you can combine it yourself, see another one, and add another one extra, and another one, and another one. See, I uncheck this one, there is another looking show in this time. And this is the paper style, you can uncheck the paper if don't like the paper version, so you can just uncheck the paper and uncheck the background and another last background. Now see, photo is transparent, PNG transparent mode, file, image, export and quick export as PNG, or you can use any mode. Okay, now I have show another combination. This is the main photo, our main photo supporting option, and there is our effect include, see the looking photo effect, this is photo effect, not background, not back art. And I have view another one, see another looking, and another looking, and another looking. So if you want use this effect and our back option default, so you can select this one and lace the effect 50-50, then combine looking show. Okay, and there is the color option, you can change the color, overall color, double click this one, very easily you can change overall color very fast. Okay, and then there is the adjustment, show the adjustment, this is the color adjustment, and I love this color combination. And if you want to the only background color change, so you can visit this option, background color changer 3, just view this one and double click this option, see there the color is already changed, and move this one, the color show the another color looking, and another, and another, and another, and another. Okay, so download link I have included this video description, check the description and subscribe our channel for free file update news and our all product upcoming product news.